Well, hey guys, you join me on Brian's Triumph TR4, and today what we're going to do is change one of the brake lines, because what's happening is one of the brake lines is actually fouling against one of the new fuel lines that Brian's put on. So we're going to change that and make it look a lot more neater and a lot more tidier. Now this TR4, it hasn't actually ran for around about 5 years, so if we get enough time we're going to see if we can actually get it up and running. So what's happening is this brake pipe coming down from the master cylinder into the T-piece is hitting this nice braided fuel line which Brian's put on the car. So what we're going to do is change this brake line, because it looks a bit of a mess anyway, and make it look a lot more tidier, bring it over to this side of the car and bleed the brakes, and hopefully it should look a lot more better and you won't get this problem of it rubbing. At the moment Brian's just put a little bit of tape over it to pack it out, but we'll do a better job of it anyway, make it look more neater and more tidy. Hold it down. That's blood. Hold it down. Okay, let it go.
Okay, go away. Yep.
Up.
Yep.
Down 4. Up. Down to 5.
2 more.
Up. Down to 6. Up. Down to 7.
And 1 more.
Have we got enough fluid in the reservoir?
Yeah, there'll be nothing there.
Up. Down to 8.
That's perfect.
Holding down.
Go on then. Pump
Ready?
away.
Okay.
Yep.
1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7.
Okay.
Stop.
Stop.
I'm down.
Okay. Right, how's that feel?
Solid as a rock.
That's good.
So there you are folks, Tina the TR, as Brian calls her. She's got that new brake pipe in place and I'll show you it, and yeah, just really pleased. We've got her all bled up, we've got all the air out system. Unfortunately we ran out of time to get her going. Did try, the battery was flat as a pancake, but that's for another time. So there's the new brake pipe. As you can see, it's nice, straight and square, and looks like it came out the factory, and just so much more presentable, and it's not rubbing. As you can see there, that's what happened to the original brake pipe, and that was done on the fuel pipe, and it was only a question of time before that would have burst. So yeah, Brian's really happy with this. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and even share my videos with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care folks.